Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you click here on keyboard, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you come here to character preview here, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color, it's gone. That's me character preview disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.